Hey guys, it's Matt, and I want to take you through how to do a perfect dumbbell bench press. One of my favorite movements in the gym, separate arms, so it really helps me stabilize, and it strengthens my chest, but also improves my posture, and more than anything, really allows my shoulder to be healthy. So here's what we're gonna do. A couple mistakes as I see people dropping the weights. I see them starting too low with the weights. So this is the biggest key takeaway, if there's anything you're gonna take away, whether you're doing a 10-pound dumbbell or 120-pound dumbbells, get the weight on the end of your knees, arms stay straight. Now we're gonna start with our chest high, shoulders engaged. We kick our knees back. So this is the starting position, really easy to do. We rotate the weights, knees are up, feet are up, slowly coming down, fast coming up. What I want you to pay attention to are my knees are together. I'm working my core. Allows me not to push too much weight without being in good position. Slow going down, fast coming up. Engaging my core, working my chest, perfect posture, perfect alignment for a dumbbell bench press. Take the weights, put them on your knees, drop them down. There's no need to drop the weights. There's no need to start really low. That's how you perfect and do a perfect dumbbell bench press. See you again next time.